Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the ScriptHookV critical error in GTA 5. If you're getting this error when launching the game, don't worry, this guide will help you fix it quickly. Let's get started. First, open the description below this video. You'll find a Google Drive link containing the required fix files. There are separate files for both GTA 5 Legacy and GTA 5 Enhanced, so make sure you download the version that matches your game. In this tutorial, I'll be using the Legacy version as an example. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file using 7-zip or WinRAR. After extracting it, open the folder and select all of the files inside. Copy them to your clipboard. Next, open your GTA 5 installation folder. If you're playing through Steam and don't know where the game is installed, open Steam, right-click GTA 5 Legacy, select Manage, then click Browse Local Files. This will take you directly to your game directory. Now, paste the downloaded files into the GTA 5 folder. If Windows asks whether you want to replace existing files, click Replace the files in the destination. Once that's done, close the folder and launch GTA 5 again. The ScriptHookV critical error should now be fixed, and your game should start normally. If you're using the enhanced version, simply follow the exact same steps with the enhanced fix files. This method also works for players using the Epic Games Launcher or the Rockstar Games Launcher. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more GTA 5 fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.